Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle, the Killer Sudoku, in the puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, April the 13th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. We have one of these binaries. And this one you are interested, the Killer Sudoku. Yes, Killer Sudoku, and this will be number. Let me zoom this out. This will be number 8357. We have here 4 given numbers. 4 given numbers. Yeah. The one in this triple box of 9, that means that those 2 boxes together should be an 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 penta box with 2 given numbers, 8 and a 1. That means 8 plus 1 is 9. 25 minus 9 is 16. These 3 boxes together should be 16. And we have a triple box of 20 with a given number 3. That means that those 2 boxes together should be 17. There's only one combination for the box of 17. The numbers 9 and the 8. 9 plus 8. Alright. Well, for Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in the additional should be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright. So let's get started. 2 minutes already passed. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 3 sharing boxes. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3. It will be difficult, the first strategy, to look for a big square with 1 sharing box. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Okay. Well, we have no rows or columns with 1 sharing box. Next strategy is to look for boxes with only 1 combination. Here we have another box of 17, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. Here another box of 17, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. The box of 3, only 1 combination, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Then the box of 17, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 9 goes there. The box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. The box of 16, only 1 combination, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. Alright. 14, 10, 18, 9, 5, 9. Well, alright. Then let me see. Is it this schoolkamer? Let me see. My schoolkamer is correct. How about the number? Seven. Let me see. 11. 1. Need a 1 here. Well, 8. Need an 8. Yeah. We have 8 in this row. 8 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. Well, I cannot place the 8 in a box of 7. Otherwise, I need -1. -1 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is number 1. So the 8 should be here in the box of 14. Combination will be 8 plus 6. Alright. 8, 8, 8, 6. No 6 here. Need a 6 there. Yeah. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be in a box of 6 or in a box of 7. Well, don't think it's in the box of 6. Otherwise, the combination will be 6 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is number 1. Should be in a box of 7. Combination 6 and 1. 6 and 1. Let me mark those. Alright, and now, let me see. We have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here or there. These two boxes together should be an 8. So the 2 and the 6 are left, the 2 and the 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. Well, we have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes at there. So these 3 missing numbers should be the 1 and the 2. The 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 4 plus 5 is 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Correct? So now we have 3 missing numbers. Well, we need a 5 there. No, 4, 5, 7. So 2, 3, and the 9 is missing. We are missing here the 9. Well, I cannot place the 9 in these two boxes, the box of 5 and the box of 6. Should be there, the 9. In the box of 10, the combination will be 9 plus 1. Then 2 numbers left for the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 in the box of 6. Otherwise, I need another 3. Double 3 is not allowed, so the 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. In the box of 6, the combination will be 2 plus 4. In the box of 5, the combination will be 3 plus 2. Alright. 1, need a 2. 2, 2. Well, we need a 2 in this big square. This box can be 2. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this column. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 13. Otherwise, the combination will be 2 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So the 2 should be here. In the box of 6, combination 2 plus 4. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 7 here in the box of 8. Otherwise, combination will be 7 plus 1. The 1 is already used in this big square. So the 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. In the box of 8, the combination will be 5 plus 3. In the box of 13, the combination will be 7 plus 6. So now 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 7 and 5. Alright. Okay. And now, need a 4 here. Well, 9, 7, I need a 1, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, need a 5 here. Here 2 numbers left in this row, 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, let me mark those. So the other, well, wait, 3 and a 4, okay. 2, need a 2. Come on. 9, 8, 1, need a 1 there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1, goes in the box of 5, the combination 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. One of the missing number, 5 and a 7. 5, 5. So I need a 5 there, and a 5, 4, and 5 and a 7, okay, Come on. Let me think. 2. Yeah. Okay. No 6. No 6. 6 should be here. 6. 6 and the 2. 6 and a 1. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. Need a 1 here. 1 in one of those two boxes in this column. 1 in the column next to the last column. There are only 3 places left. The 1 should be here, or there. Cannot place the 1 in the box of 12. Otherwise, the combination will be 11 plus 1. Should be here. The 1 in the box of 5. Combination will be 1 plus 4. Okay, now. One, 2. One of the missing number in the last column is number 3. Yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 goes in the box of 12. 12, the combination will be 9 and a 3. 9 and a 3. That means we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box can be 9 and more. This box should be an 8. That box should be 9. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers to 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. In the box of 8, the combination will be 2 plus 6. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. In the box of 12, the combination will be 7 plus 5. Yeah, this triple box of 19, 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 6 is equal to 19. So 2 numbers left in this big square for us. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 7. We have 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. 9 and 3. We have 3 in the middle, second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes at there. 2 and a 1, we have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright, so we have an 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here. Or there we have 8 in this column, third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. In the box of 11, the combination will be 8 plus 3. 1 box left in the first row for the amount. 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. In the box of 11, combination will be 6 plus 5. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright, and now. Need a 4 here. Yeah, 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, well, I cannot place the 4 in the box of 14, otherwise the combination will be 4 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. So the 4 should be here. In the box of 11, combination will be 4 plus 7. 9 and 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. In the box of 14, combination will be 9 plus 5. 3 and a 4, we have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes at there. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. Need a 4 and need a 7, I believe. Need to wait. Come on. Yeah. There are 2 combinations for the box of 14. 9 plus 5 and 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6. 9 plus 7. Sorry, 9 plus 5. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. So I cannot use the 9 in the box of 14, so it should be 8 and a 6. 8 and a 6. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 4 and a 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Well, let me mark those. If it's a 2 here, then this box should be a 6. So it cannot be a 2 here. The 2 should be there. Yeah, otherwise the combination with 2 plus 6. The 6 is already used in this big square. This should be a 7. Combination here, 7 plus 1. This should be a 2. That means that those two boxes together in this triple box of 18 should be 16. 16, well, we have one combination for the box of 16. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 9 goes there. One box left in this big square for the bottom. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. In the box of 5, combination will be 3 plus 2. 2 and a 1, we have a 2 in the last row, no one, 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 7 and a 5, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 9 and 8, we have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 and 8, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1. 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers, no, not final 2 numbers. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left, the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, pleased with the time. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. Not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1-star puzzle. So yeah, a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.